right, here we go, guys. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Bingo and a bango. Bingo and a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. Question of the day. Does this, as far as the color of myself, look better, or this one? Yeah, pick 1 or 2. Let me know how it looks on your end, but on mine, this one looks like I am running for president. Orange man. This one looks like I need some sun. Let me know. I think this was 1. Orange or blue? Which one? Hey, we got somebody being my favorite. Oh man, I can't say that name. That's right. Yopesh. Yopesh is now my favorite. Yopesh, thank you, brother. Appreciate you greatly. You are now my favorite. So let me know, guys. Blue, where I need sun, or president. Let me know. Let me know which one looks better on your end. You're like, Joe, just take up the camera. Hey, come on, man. That's rude. All right, here we go. Crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles on the daily time frame. Not so good. Not so good. We have virtuals down almost 10%, 9.5% actually. Now, of course, this one was up earlier. Just remember, what goes up will come down. Take your profits very, very quick. Matter of fact, I exited my short on Jupiter just because it's kind of slowing down. I mean, it could dump from here or it could continue going up. The VIP group, we are in a long on this one. But of course, with my leverage, I have it higher leverage, so I just need a little bit of a move. And I was expecting it to retrace. We'll look at that one. Just kind of give you a heads up on what we're looking at for Jupiter and our targets as well. This is the VIP chart. We entered this one a few days ago, and it finally started moving. I think like 2 days ago, and now it retraced where I thought it was going to be. But we'll go over that in just a little bit. Let's see here. We have Hex down 11.7%. Trump down 17.3%. Ouch. All right. Just when we thought Trump was coming back, it's not. Not right now, anyway. For the daily. For the hourly, we have Tell up 3%. Don't know what that one is. We have Cake. We have nothing too big. No double digits that I see. Let me know what coins you would like for me to do. Also, let me know any questions. This is your 1 hour of free mentorship where instead of paying somebody $99 an hour to answer your questions, you can get that here for free. Now, with that being said, I really, really do want to make money with you and not because of you. Unlike all the other mentors out there that won't teach you how to trade, they'll just show you trade setups. They'll just show you their basic, support resistance levels and what they think might happen, but they don't give you the thought process behind it. For me, I'm different. What I do is I show you in the moment of the trade so that you could make money versus looking at stuff that already happened and getting the thought process of what already happened to kind of do what's going to potentially happen. It doesn't really work that way. And if you need examples, give me indicators. I will show you the indicators. And on this channel, I love debunking indicators. I love showing you what indicators I use that actually give you an average of what might happen, where the price action might go to. None of these are magnets. None of these are where it's going to go. It's just a probability. And I'll give you all that information every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, one thing I must stress this. Make sure that notification bell is on, because I'm doing a lot of 12 a.m. That's right. You heard it right. 12 a.m. shows where I show you basically the same thing, but I'm giving you more and more content so that you can make money faster. Now, if you do want to make this really fast, well, then you join my VIP group. In the VIP group, this is the price. You get an extra month for free. I give you the exact setups. I do moving average. I do the moving up the stop loss and when to take profits. I update the charts. I don't post 20 plus charts a day. I post very few. That way it's very easy to update these charts. And you can ask me more information right here, trade_intuition on Telegram, and I can let you know what we do. There's no pressure when you message me. I just let you know what we do. All right, without being too much into the VIP group, let's look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is being boring right now, being very boring. We do have a plan A and a plan B. So far, it looks like the plan A might go. The reason we have this as our plan A is because, well, we are starting to break our highs. We're breaking our highs, so we're looking at potentially continuing the uptrend. The macro, the bigger picture, is possibly coming down due to the lower highs on the macro. Now, this was my thought process to where we're going to come down, get this liquidity area or buying pressure area, maybe even coming down to here. But now we can see it's coming down, 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 stop, sideways, breaking this high, coming up. Now we need to break this high to continue the thought process. It goes down, breaks this low, and then now hopefully we need this high now to break, which is really close to this high. And it did a double top, and it hasn't come down yet to break this bottom. We can just extend this over here. It hasn't come down yet. And right now it looks like it's gaining strength. So we're going to be looking at this. Now you can, whenever you're looking at this stuff, I'm going to say hi to the chat in just a moment. Whenever you're looking at this stuff, right now in the 4-hour time frame, if you gather 6 of these and you squish them together, you make a daily candle. If you get several of the daily candle and you squish them together, well, then you get a weekly candle. So you can kind of judge where the price action's at. If it makes it a little bit easier, well, then just go to the time frame. Here we can see more of the daily candles. And then if you want, we can go to the weekly candles. But for me, this really doesn't tell me anything because I want to see the ups and downs. This tells me we had resistance here at 104.483. And then another resistance right here at 102.52. And you can't see that. You can't see anything I'm showing you. Well, you could, but not really. Right here, 102.660. Here's our other level. These are the tops that we need to break on the weekly time frame. But if you go to the daily, you can see we have more ups and downs. And when I'm referring to ups and downs, it's support, resistance, the areas of pivots. And this is how I look at stuff. I look at this and I say, okay, price action's right here. If I put a bunch of these candles together, it makes up a daily candle. And I can see still that we're making lower highs at the moment. And then now we're kind of switching it up a little bit and potentially going sideways to possibly go up. So this is my thought process on this. Let us look at the chat. Let's look at the chat. We have Jesse. Jesse is first. Jesse's number 1. Jesse wins the first of the comments. So congrats to Jesse. Appreciate you, man, for being here. And very informative information. Smash the like. Smash the like on your way in, guys. Help support the channel. Again, this is something that I do. I stop what I'm doing. I'm stopping all my research. And man, Masari, that website is killer. I strongly recommend, and what I do for my VIP group, I subscribe to stuff and then I give them the information. So 1, it saves them money for sure. And 2, I believe it provides just more value to my group. Not only do you have access to me almost 24/7, not only can you post charts and I do video reviews of your chart, not only can you, ask questions and you get other traders that are very knowledgeable. I have an amazing team. I'm so blessed for my team. But not only do you get all that, but you also get stuff that I have subscriptions to, and I'm breaking it down for you in a more simplistic form and just kind of key points. But Masari, shoot, man, that it's a beast. It really is. A lot of research and everything else. Now, of course, YouTube never fails. YouTube loves to give me this message. And if I start lagging, if I start freezing up on my video, make sure to let me know. but YouTube loves doing this to me. Thanks, YouTube. Appreciate you. Now, granted, this is because I'm giving you all this alpha for free. If you want to learn more and faster, of course, join my VIP group. If not, ask me questions here. Please ask me questions. I love questions. I literally beg for questions, not only here, but also my VIP, and also for them to post charts so I can review. Because again, it's just gonna be faster learning. You're gonna learn much faster. All right, moving on. We have Duality Crypto in the house. What's up, Duality Crypto? Appreciate you, man, for being here. We got all the TI fam in here. TI fam, Trade Intuition. That's right. We had Sin in the house. What's up, Sin? We have Crypto Coin Mindset, my man. Dude, guys, we had a great show last night, Friday night. Great show. Join us every night on, especially Fridays. Fridays, man, we absolutely kill it. On Fridays, we go and it's pretty much like kicking your feet up around the campfire. And we talk everything crypto, everything crypto, politics, economy, life. It's a great time. And we do that every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, of course, I'm on his show on Mondays. And that is at 11 a.m. And we have an amazing time. Now, I thought I put it in here, and I believe it came up. Let's see here. I think I posted it only in. I'm gonna post it again. I think I only posted it in the YouTube, but I posted it right now for it to go to both places. All right. Let's see here. We have Sin. We have Crypto Coin Mindset. See here. Going down the list. Jesse. We have Wix Wi-Fi 89. Appreciate you guys for being in here. And let's see here. Jesse says my notification bell is on for sure. Excellent. We have a Retro Mike. What's up, Retro Mike? Let's throw some Retro Mics in the chat. If you are a VIP member, if you are a YouTube member, you have access to these special emojis. Retro Mike is one of the largest contributors to the channel, and due to that, we have a special emoji for him. We also have Jesse's emoji, and Jesse is a huge contributor as well, giving us alpha on these charts, on these coins. Now, I don't agree with all the coins that he gives us because to me, they're just too high risk. But what happens like a week later? Man, they move. And I have to swallow my pride and say, hey, he was right. Happens, I think there's been like 3 that I really didn't like. And what did all 3 of them do? They moved. They moved very, very nicely. So I do strongly recommend anytime Jesse puts some info in the chat, make sure to follow it. You know, even if I don't agree with it, DYOR, do your own research and see if you like it, see if you want to throw some money in it. Same thing with username. Username also provides really great information, and he as well has a special emoji. For him, it's a helmet. It's a foam trading helmet. Of course, you know, it's a little joke that we have going on, and love the dudes. You know, everybody here has a really great personality and also willingness to help support the channel. So we have some that support it financially. We have some that support it with the charts. And I keep on forgetting, if I don't do the next one for Alexandra G, I'm going to have to do something. I don't know what. The only thing that can hurt me is money. So I'm going to have to donate money somewhere. And it's going to be all of my $14. And if I do not have her emoji by the next show, I will have to donate my entire portfolio, $14, to something. I don't want to say somebody, because then you're not going to want me to do it. And you're like, oh man, I wanted to win the $14. All right, moving on. So of course, bingo bango, guys, bingo bango, and everybody here participates. Everybody here participates and helps support the channel. But I really need more members to put more emojis. So just kind of give you a heads up. If you're not a member, I strongly recommend you become a member of the YouTube channel. It's not the VIP group, but it's to help support the YouTube channel. And on here, dang, Joe, this is a long commercial. I'm not trying to make it a commercial. If you go to videos, you'll see that I do member only videos. And there's sometimes where I'll do special videos, especially for my VIP group. And it trickles down to the YouTube members, whether it's something like identifying a trend, only 6-minute long video, versus watching a whole 1 hour video and getting all the nuggets. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. All right, moving on. Let's see here. We got Jesse. We got All Set in the house. What's up, my friend? All Set. Appreciate you. See here, going down the list. And look at this. We got Road Dog in the house. Now, Road Dog is one of my other favorites. Of course, here are my favorites, and as they come onto the show, I add them to the list. I had to redo my stream deck, but here's Road Dog. So everybody check out Road Dog. Road Dog he's different, and I say that with love. A dude is different. If you want something that's not boring, if you want something that's not strictly just charts, check out my buddy. He is very entertaining. I love his filter that he has. It's a turkey, I know, different. But what's really funny is his eyes. Because he'll be talking and he'll pop out his eyes, and because of the filter, it makes him even bigger. And then, of course, he has different characters on his show. It's a great place, guys. It's a great place. We hang out there every night at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dude is a hoot, and he keeps it real. He keeps it real when it comes to people with VIP groups. He keeps it real with how they're making their money. He keeps it real with his charts. So I strongly recommend everybody. Now, here's the thing too. At first, I didn't know like who he was from, the other streamers, but I started watching him. I started seeing the community that he has. He has a community that is also DGen. And of course, DGen, we know we can make a lot of money. And there was a lot of coins that I found on his channel where I was like, you know what, let me investigate this. And I started looking at it. I was like, man, I kind of like it. And so I entered it to my group as well. And we all made some money. So just kind of give you a heads up. He does give out some really nice alpha. So definitely check him out. And it turns out he was in the same group that I was in. And so he knows me. And, he says, yeah, Joe, when I'm watching your channel and I see something that you do on TradingView, like I learned something or something new or a new little tool or whatever. And so definitely check him out. Great dude. All right. Let's see here. Going down the list. We got Al in the house. Appreciate you guys for being here. If you have any coins you want me to do, again, let me know. I do have my trusty notebook and my pen. And wait for it. My other pen, just in case one runs out. But I'm prepared, guys. I'm prepared to make you money. I hope you're prepared to make money this season. I know it's been really tough. Sometimes it's best just to sit on your hands. Sometimes it's best to take this time and watch videos. If you join my group, the very first thing I say is wait about a week before you start jumping into coins. Take that time to watch my videos. My videos are very short, direct, to the point. Study. Treat this as if it's a final exam and everything depends on it. And then you'll get the gist of what I do and how I do it and how I post and everything else. And then when you enter the trades, you're going to be higher likely to make success versus just coming in here, not knowing how to trade, and then entering the trades and then not knowing what all the stuff means. So just give you a heads up. Now, my charts, they're pretty simple. Road Dog says it as well, along with a bunch of other people. That's why they're in the group. How simple my charts are and easy to understand. All right, moving on. Let's see here, going down the list. Retro Mike says, I contribute nothing. I just chill dino coins. I think contribution is your middle name, Retro Mike. I really do. Let's see here. Very nice. Going down the list. It just says, I love this community. Same. I love it too. Like here we're a bunch of good people, and it's really difficult to find good. Joe, can you just get on with the show? I find it really difficult to find good people in this space. However, been very blessed. You know, I have you guys here. I have the Piper Academy network, the entire network, that great people. I have Billy Goattails, you know, Crypto Billy. Dude is amazing. And just everybody that I'm, and it's funny too, because, and you know, Road Dog, the whole nine. Road Dog's a really good dude, and he tells it like it is. And it's very rare that you get people that tell it how it is, because when you do speak the truth, people kind of shun you, because you may say something that you don't agree with, maybe one of your YouTubers or friends, but somebody's actually telling the truth about them, and you're like, let me not watch them anymore, because they don't want to hear it. Road Dog doesn't care. Same with me. I don't care. Like me or hate me, I don't care. You know, I'm gonna speak the truth, and if that's good, then great. If it's not, well, go get bamboozled. Get bamboozled. And for me, because people look up to certain people, and you still associate yourself with somebody who steps on people's backs to elevate themselves, to me, you're more in it for politics. I'm just saying. All right, here we go. Joe, you're gonna get canceled. I'll at least have 8 dedicated people, and I'll help you all. All right, or 10 or 12 or whatever it is. All right, moving on. Joe, win Rolex. Well, I tell you what, I do have it. Well, I call it a Rolex. Others don't. It was actually, I went to the store. It's the pronunciation, you may pronounce it differently, but it's Walmarte. And I went to Walmarte, and this really nice Rolex, I call it Rolex. It, you know, has the little band, and you can actually do calculations on it. It has a calculator, and it cost $14 at the time. The value's probably gone up, but you might call it Walmart. It's Walmart. Anyway, so it's really nice, and I don't want to shill my lavish lifestyle. I don't want to, you know, look at me, show me your Rolex. I don't want to do any of that stuff, just because, well, you know, we're not having a pissing contest. We're a family. Why would I want to show you my Rolex? And you know, you may think, well, Joe, it'll motivate me to get a Rolex. At the same time, it could be like, man, I don't even have food to eat. Like, and you're over here showing off your Rolex, trying for me to show you my watch. I don't even have a watch. How is it supposed to make me feel good? So because of that, I never show off my Rolex. I never show off my lavish lifestyle. Give you a heads up. All right, moving on. Let's see here. What color? Exactly. Let's see here. Let's see. Al says, and my dogs, they're barking at you right now. Oh, gotta bark back. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go. See, Jesse just checked out Road Dog before you and Logic. Yeah, like I say, he's a hoot. He's a hoot. All right, very good, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. And man, it's a lot. I just went over. Okay, look at Bitcoin. We pretty much covered Bitcoin. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame, and let's see let's see what we have here. Now, we'll hold down shift, come all the way across. That way it keeps the line straight. We were looking at this level to get crossed and have a bullish support. Price did come down to our, and this is our average of our VWAP. Well, this is called the VWAP. This is our average of the volume. Price broke below it, and this is why I say these levels, they are on the strength from 0 to 10. I'd say about a 4. Now, it's not as strong as a support resistance level. This is about a 6. If it was on a higher time frame, right now we're in the 1 hour. If it was on a higher time frame, it would be about an 8 for the support resistance level. Nothing is a 10. So I must stress that nothing's a 10. Now, this is a 4. This is telling me that the average of the volume is right here. So the price may come down to the average and come up, but because it's a weak support resistance level, it broke right through it. Then it started getting rejected, came up, and then kind of found support, and then came support, and now broke above our strong level right here. We're looking for a bounce. And because of this move, so you have to plug in everything together. Because of this move right here, not only but because of this really move from down here, came up, sideways, then up. If you go to a higher time frame, you'll see that it's more of a kind of straighter up. We have up, sideways, up. We go to another time frame, and now you can see it's straight up. So this is what I do. I actually get these and I just squish them together, because I know that if I get, 4, 8, or 12 of these candles and I squish them together, it makes one larger candle. This is how I can go on lower time frames without having to go on higher time frames. However, I always show higher time frames and going down. Now, with this being said, from here to here, the average would be about here, about 50%-ish or so, just eyeballing it. Price, I'm expecting it to come down because, one, it broke this level, and I would like to see a retrace, but this retrace 15% from this whole move, 10% of the move, not actually 10%. Well, hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying. Like from here, well, let me do it with the fib retracement. Now we can see it's not 10% of the coin. I want to make that really clear. And let's do this, and let's put another level here. Let's put 0.1, and then this one we will put it as a green. That looks good. No, let's do 0.5, because well, let's do this in red, because I don't when it's this, you don't want it. Maybe I should change the color to a little bit brighter. Yeah, right there. And so there we go. So let's see here. So it's way up here. So this actually came down to 23%. I was thinking 15, 10, 15. Actually came down 23% from this move. And here, this is the level that I was looking for it to bounce, which 15, 22, 25%, you really don't want. You want at least 35. And before a bounce. And it kept on coming down. Came down here to the 0.5, started getting rejected on the 382, 38%. Then started finding support on the 38%. Now, let's go ahead and delete this so that we are not getting confused with what's going on. Now, if we just look at this, let's take off our brush tool, and let's just hide this for a moment. And then we'll also hide this and this. Now, we're looking at this, and we can see that the price went up, came down to this level, and actually came beautifully down here, but start going here, high, low, the low is higher, but then the high is lower. This is showing weakness. So we anticipate a retrace, which is good. Now we want to break this level, at least come up to this level. Now it did come up to this level and then came down, making a higher low, which is good. It's showing strength, but at the same time, it's showing weakness because it's not breaking these highs. And for that reason, I'm thinking it's going to roll over. It's going to roll over into this area at least. And then now we see what happens. So if I wanted to do a trade, I'd probably do it short, but I'd have to look to a smaller time frame. But this is what I'm looking at right now. Price is right here. I think it's going to come down. It's going to break this level that it had really nice strength. I don't know if it will or not, but I'm just saying it might. I'm going to come down here past this one, right about the middle of this one. So about here, then come up to trick people, possibly coming up to this level, and then come back down. And then now here's my decision point. Is it going to come up to this level to maybe come down to go up? Or my decision point, is it going to go from here to here? This is what I'm looking at right now. So if I was doing a leverage trade, of course I'd go to a smaller time frame, but I'm pretty sure it's going to go down. Now, I have my stop loss pretty tight because I trade higher leverage. And matter of fact, let's have some fun with this. Let's actually look. Okay, Okay, so right now I'm looking at the strength of the move. I've been playing with Jupiter for a while now, kind of bored with Jupiter. Plus it's doing nothing, it's doing pretty much this. Here is a level. Okay. Now, of course, I still have my $25, and it moved a bit, quite a bit though. I still have my $25, $25 thing that I'm doing. So let's go ahead and see if I can pull that up. I don't know where it's at. I'm going to, oh, here it is. What am I at right now? $25. All right. I was doing this one, trading long and then short, and then just started doing nothing. So I just do my profit. Let's go to Bitcoin. Come on, wake up. Look at Bitcoin. Ooh. Okay. So, and of course, pop-ups. Get out here. I want to do my stop loss here, pretty tight. And come over here to this, get my coordinates, copy, close this, and kind of look at this a little bit. It's underneath all my stuff. So let's go ahead. We're going to do markets, and then we're going to do stop loss of that. And we're going to put $5, you know, nothing crazy, $5.50. And so we're doing market, and we're going to do open short in 3, 2. Let's see if it goes up a little bit more. 3, 2. I want to see. I just want to see the little coming down, and then I'll enter it. So right now it's still kind of going up. I just want to see it pull back. As soon as it pulls back, I'm hitting the short. So let's see. So what were my 98.7? Okay, so my liquidation is way up there. So I'm waiting for the first pullback. This is what I'm doing. So I'm just waiting. Right now it's at my 30 SMA, which is my orange line. My blue line is my VWAP. My white line is my 9 SMA. Right now, it should be a nice time to enter. But I gotta wait to see if it pops up a little bit more. But as soon as it comes down, I'm doing the entry. What happened? Did it fall asleep? Did it fall asleep? What's going on? I'm waiting. I'm looking at it. I'm staring at it. I would love for it to come back up here so I could do it. I don't know though. But if it comes back up here, then it's above my blue line. I don't want that. Right now, this is a 15-minute time frame on Bitcoin. I'm risking $1. I'm just gonna go for it because why is it staying still? I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, I want to go for it because it's right underneath my level. If y'all want, give me some charts that I can do. Ask me some questions. See, all set. You want to free up that money? Okay. It's not moving. Is my thing frozen? I think it has to be frozen. I'm just gonna do it. I'm risking $84. I mean 84 cents. Go. Yes, confirm. Okay. So now it's gonna pump. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. We'll see. We'll check on this periodically. And of course, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this over here, and then I'm gonna go to this, and then let's see here, bottom. So I have a bottom small box left. What's this one? No, that's over there. small left, a rectangle right. This is what I'm, okay. So right here. Okay, so let me this. So we can see it. Okay. So right now we enter the trade. We are up 3%. We're doing a 71x leverage. I think that's what it was. Short. We'll just see. Have some fun. Play with Bitcoin. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and go with the chat really quick, and then we're going to continue on. Ooh, I haven't heard of this one in a long time. So HOPR was actually I forgot the name of it at the time, but HOPR was the actual one that I got in 2021. Instead of buying the, oh man, I forgot the name of this one now. Helium miner. Instead of buying the helium miner, I bought the HOPR miner. And man, talk about a mistake. I could have had the helium miner and then ROI'd my money, return on investment of my money, like really, really quick, because it just went to the freaking moon. However, HOPR, after several, trying of doing the miner and the little node that I bought, it would mine other coins that I had to sell to buy HOPR, which was defeating the purpose of everything. But actually, I think I have some HOPR still staking, because then they ended, well, we can just stake it. Like, so you mean I had to buy it? It was a huge waste, man. I have a bad taste in my mouth for HOPR, really bad. Wasted like $500 or $700 on that thing. Took 6 weeks to come from Switzerland. But yes, we will look at HOPR. Joe, that was a long story. I know. HOPR, man, I feel like this one's gonna go long today. Let's see here. Made an average of 92.76 today on my portfolio. Nice. We got a username in the house. Hey, username, we were just talking about you. We were just talking about you. See, I don't know about you guys, but still trying to bounce back from, there you go. There you go. So everybody, we gotta be really, really quiet. There you go. Let's see here, going down the list. Going to my list. I knew it. See, username says, Uncle Jesse, when will you stop lying to everyone? We are the same. I told you. I knew it. Pick a number, 1 to 10. Do it, Jesse. Do it. Here. Alts had a nice little pump. They did. And now it's like, Jesse says, no, I don't pick a number. You're going to say the same. Jesse. Jesse. That's funny. Uncle Jesse, with that attitude, you'll never have fun. Just pick a number between 1 and 10. Okay. I picked 1. Guess it. Ooh, check. Is there a checkmate? What number? No, you have to guess it. Ooh, check. Is this a checkmate? No, you have to guess it with the same person. Oh man, I literally have tears in my eyes right now. Anyone sees Solana wants one of the future prediction markets? Sit here. Anyone see Solana wants in on the future prediction market? Very nice. I'm jealous of all these exchanges. All set. You want to make that fee money. Yeah. It's a rejection, Joe. I'm assuming you're talking about Bitcoin. Don't know. See, I'm limited, even with VPN. The alphabet boys don't like me. Oh. Let's see. Justin says, all set. Is coin stats an option in your country? Gonna check. Very good. Time for a new VPN. Tracer Joe, can you? Like, Tracer Joe, you should have Uncle Jesse on. Yeah, we're gonna have both of y'all on. That'll work. Let's see here. A trading battle. Ooh. That would be fun. That would be really fun. I want to do that, guys. I really want to do that. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. And it's more so for fun. It's not to say, oh, I'm better than you or nothing like that. So when I lose, I, you know, will be okay. But it's more for fun. You know, it'll be, and what we could do is we could have like, I don't know, it's kind of like Pope. I don't know. But I would like for there to be some kind of reward, whether it's monetary or not. But we all start off with the same amount of money, and we just see. And I'm thinking $50, maybe $100, and then it all has to get voted by everybody who participates. So let's say it's $50 or $20 or whatever it is. But what we're doing is we're showing people that you don't have to have $10,000 to trade or anything like that. And what we're doing is we're doing not only, we'll have two categories, one percentage and one money. So let's say we start off with $50 or $100 or whatever it is. Simple math, let's say $50. And, you know, I go up 30% and my opponent goes up 20%. But with my $50, I was only trading $10 of it. So money wise, I only made, you know, this much. However, this person, my opponent, was trading $50 on one thing, which is very high risk. And they made less percentage than me, but more money than me. So that would, you know, we can have two winners, or not. I don't know if we had two winners, but anyway, that's what I'm thinking about. I got to think about it more. But of course, I got the idea from myself back in 2021. And then I was on Keeper's channel, which he actually has Trading Wars, which I absolutely loved. And maybe I should do that too. I've been wanting to do that. Again, not his idea. However, it is his, he brought it to life, which he did an amazing job of it. Jesse says, I would like that, Joe. Unfortunately, not having a computer, so I can't get on the stream. Oh, that sucks. Phew, I dodged a bullet. A challenge has been accepted, Uncle Jesse. Uncle Jesse versus Tracer Joe. Wagers, 1 Bitcoin. What? Uncle Jesse, you have a phone? Yes, true. All you need, don't need a fancy laptop or mic to trade. You got it. 1 Bitcoin. I'm there. Jeez, 1 Bitcoin. I think I have like 0.0000. It looks like a meme coin. 0.0000000001. No. Let's see here. I'm so ready to buy more Bitcoin. Not saying that I have like 20 Bitcoin, which I don't. I don't even have one. I'm being honest with you. I don't even have one. I have a bunch of alts, and next season I'm gonna do Bitcoin. I hear so many people, they're like 70, 80% in Bitcoin, and they're doing really well, even though alts are so-so. So that's what I'm gonna do next season. But you know, if Bitcoin does break this level, if we hit around 82-ish area, I'm buying. And I have a little bit of money on the side, waiting for this. And then if it comes down in here around 73.5-ish, I'm buying. And granted, I know when it comes up, it's not going to be like 7,000%, but it'll be really nice to have. And just coming back up to here is 27%. And it's something that, you know, it has a really good, it's slow and steady. This is the turtle. This Bitcoin is the turtle. And the turtle always wins, in my opinion. All right, let's see here. Wixwatt 589 has entered the trading battle. Nice. She's going to buy and short whatever coin she gets. Oh no. Ouch, rough. Here. Let's see here. Just buy XRP. Those people will always buy in even if they get here. Me neither. I just trade with little money and keep grinding. Yeah. See here. See here. All right, very good. That's funny. All right, so let's look at our Bitcoin trade. We're going to do HOPR in just a moment, but right now, oh, we can see on the bottom, 6%. And it's coming up. Oh, should we sell? Get rid of it. No, we have a stop loss. We have a stop loss and we're fine. How much will I lose? I forgot. So I just clicked on it. For some reason, I don't know if it's my internet or what, but man, this reacts really slow. I click on it and literally like 20-30 seconds go by before it pops up. And I clicked on it already. See if it pops up. And waiting. Finally popped up. I would lose 15%. Not bad. I'm doing a 72x leverage. I would lose 15% of my $5.50 that I have in there. So I'll lose about 85 cents. Okay. Not bad. Not a bad risk to reward ratio. But Joe, you don't even know where your target's at. What I like doing is I like moving my stop loss into profit as soon as possible. And then like all these levels, like this right here is a really nice take profit area. I doubt I will though. Right here, all these levels. Here's a level that I probably will take my profit. Here's another level. So all these are levels. You know, here's a level down here. So all these are levels. And then what I do is I just move my stop loss, take profit, move my stop loss. And here, this is our VWAP. So, you know, maybe we get a bounce here. This is our average of our volume closes or our volume. So I'm going to take some profit here and then we'll see if it comes down or if it bounces. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see here, going down the list really quick. We're going to do HOPR. Okay. And if you have any coins, guys, that you're, I see a few people jumped in. Make sure to smash the like. I do appreciate it. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, I strictly do this streams for questions. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of yet. And I really want to know, you know, your questions. And there are no dumb questions, guys. Please remember that. There are no dumb questions. And I answer any questions, whether it's, you know, support resistance, levels, trend lines, indicators, patterns, moving the measured moves. Any question you have, guys. Luna. Yes, Luna will be this next one. Luna. Okay, virtuals is fire or cooked. I'm not sure. Virtuals. So I have virtuals. I'm watching it. Okay, here going down the list. Retro Mike Tech says, I buy 90 days after wifey buys and wait for the rebound. Wifey, Wix Wi 589, they're beating you up, wifey. They're beating you up. Let's see here. Check virtuals, got it. Okay, and let's see here. Username, I truly am a coin assassin. Oh. All right, Luna, we got Luna on the list. I see username says Hex. Okay. We'll do Hex. I don't like to do, but you can make money off of it. Got it. Short virtuals. Let's see. Denied. Ignored. You guys are too funny. All right. So let's get down to business. We were looking at GRIFFAIN last night. Price was here. And I said, nah, I don't, it just looks too weak still. I like the project. I like what it does. It's, you know, one of the AI agents, but because there's no ups or down, it really doesn't have any kind of structure. I think it might come down and hopefully we're looking for a bounce here and then coming up and bounce, and you can enter on the safer, you know, once it breaks here. And sure enough, it came down, did not bounce here, but instead, let's get this and move this over. It broke the level came further down, came up right to the level and got rejected. So now it's got to fight to go above this level. So what I would do if I was looking at this trade, set an alert up here at around 0.1241, and then the 4 hour candle needs to close above this level. So we'll do 4 hour candle needs to close above this level. And then I would set an alert right around 1239. And then I'll put alerts. Now we look like a pre-store. All right, moving on. Let's do some HOPR. Let's do some HOPR, not hope, but HOPR. And I'm so disappointed in this one. It's been like $500 or $700 on the miner, and waited 6 weeks. So disappointed. I still have it too. Mexi, let's go. He doesn't want to look at MURA. Oh, I didn't know that was an actual coin. I thought y'all were doing funny stuff for being an assassin. So I put MURA on here. Okay. See, Tracer Joe, best fast food burger. It used to be Burger King back in the day. The burger literally was this big and it was $1. I know, I'm dating myself. So juicy, man. Big old slices of tomato, lettuce. The actual meat itself was so incredibly juicy. I'm getting my mouth watery, man. Memories. The amount of condiments that were on that burger were so, man, spot on, scientifically proven facts. Then I didn't buy one for, I don't know, 5-10 years or so. And it's like $18 for a burger that's like this big now. And I got it dry, condiments barely, 2 pickles, I think it was. And then, I mean, talk about inflation. Good Lord. So, burger. I do like Sonic, the chicken, the grilled chicken burger. I do like that one. I like the buns. I probably have to go with that one. Now there was one in San Antonio. I forget the name of it, man, but that was the greasiest burger ever. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't recommend eating that if you appreciate your hearts. I forget what it was. It was on the east side, big time east side. I used to do pest control, and whenever I would be deep east side, I'd make it a point to go Murphy's. I think it's called Murphy's Burger. I don't know if y'all have a Murphy's in y'all's hometown, but I think it was called Murphy's. MURPH and then S, Murphy's. And man, the fries were good, and the burger, a big old burger too. But that was like 10 years ago. That's when I used to do pest control. So I've been a nurse for like 8. So yeah, about 10, 12 years ago. So those may have shrunk too, I don't know. Let's see here. Mining is a scam. To me, I don't like mining. We're gonna get to this in just a moment, guys. I don't like mining because all the money you do for mining, whether it's buying a graphics card, I have a rig. I bought it, I bought all the pieces to build the rig, and all that money I spent on it, I could have easily bought the coin or coins, waited 6 months, and got my ROI, return on investment, right then and there, and then made some more money. Versus buying the equipment. Hopefully the equipment lasts me a few years. Hopefully I'll get my ROI in about 2 years. And then you have the wear and tear on the actual fans and everything else on the thing, so it could break on you. Then of course you have electricity and then the heat. So is it worth it? In my opinion, no, but it is super, super cool seeing the monitor and seeing that you're getting coins, that you're solving blocks. To me, it's worth it because it's just cool. Like, you're actually contributing to the blockchain, and you can see it doing its thing, whether it's, how much money you're earning, or coins or whatever. So to me, in that aspect, it's cool. But as far as the money, I'd rather just buy the coin. All right. Hey, we got Crypto Billy in the house. Let's see here. Coming down the list, see, homemade burgers are the best. If they're made by somebody else, I agree. Burger King in the 90s was legit. Telling you guys. Five Guys. I've never been there. Homemade burgers with Japalenos. Yes. The J is pronounced J. Japalenos. Oh, okay. I see Richard Mike says, I don't have a heart attack. Maybe I'll try. Don't try. It's so good, man. It's so good. Well, it was back in the day. Road Dog says, no more 5 sandwiches for $5 deals. Arby's special. I never really liked Arby's. I mean, I've eaten there a few times, but I've never liked it. I prefer Chick-fil-A over Arby's, but I think I've only eaten Chick-fil-A maybe 3 times in my life, maybe 4. See here. The username says, not technically fast food, but Weepies in Lima, Ohio. So it's so good. Nice. Very nice. See here. All right. I missed the Rex. All right. Let's see here. We got David in the house. What's up, David? Appreciate you, man, being here. All right. So let's look at HOPR. Man, HOPR made some moves. Let's go to the daily. All right. So for me personally, I know what HOPR is, and I'm very upset with HOPR. Let's just see. Back in 2021, more than likely, this is where I bought it. Probably around 67 cents. And I bought it because I was so frustrated because the actual miner that I had, the node, was supposed to produce HOPR, but it didn't. It produced other coins because it wasn't ready yet. Produced other coins that you had to sell to buy HOPR. Why don't I just buy HOPR with my own money? Instead of buying this dumb machine, it cost me like $500 or $700. Anyway, and so then they gave you the ability to stake it to earn more HOPR, which was dumb because you're actually mining. That's why you have the machine, so you can mine the HOPR. So out of frustration, I bought HOPR, which was dumb, so that I could stake. Then about 2 months later, they finished that staking program, and then you had to unstake it to put it into a different one. And then so I did that. And then like 2 months later, they undid that one to do another one. And so I have HOPR in somewhere. And there was literally like 8 steps you had to do to stake it, because it was on different network and everything else, and you had to get like a wrapped HOPR, and it was it was a mess. 8 steps just to stake it, and then like 4 steps to unstake it, to restake it, and it was. Where's my blood pressure medicine? Let me get a drink. Look at that. Y'all guys got me drinking. Y'all forced me to drink. Hopefully I don't get drunk. Here we go. There we go. Buckeyes. I've been to Buckeyes plenty of times. But I have never, I don't think I've had any of their food. I've had their snacks and stuff. I don't think I've ever gotten food. Man, it's like a mall in there. I love it. The restrooms, you could literally sleep in there. They are that clean. Literally. Moving on. Going to the daily. Let's see here. I wouldn't touch it. It already moved. It already pumped. I would not touch it. Last time we were talking about it, which was a long time ago, I was saying here we could have lower entries. Here, and here, and I'm guessing we looked at it here. I don't even know when we looked at this. I don't remember looking at this. I didn't tell you all my story on HOPR. But anyway, I wouldn't touch it. It already moved. I would not touch it at all. It moved already. Could it continue to move? Sure. I'd wait a week. I'd wait a week to see if it came down to about here. Let's just do a pivot retracement. Let's make sure our magnet tool is on. Let's go from the bottom to the top. And bingo bango, right in the kisser, right in the golden pocket. So let's just see if price action retraces to here and does this. Right now it needs to retrace. For a healthy move, it needs to retrace. Could it continue going up another 200%? Sure. Is it likely? Not really. Can it happen? Of course. We're in crypto. So went up 130% in about a day. I'm not touching it. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if Crypto Going Mindset says I'm hitting out. Have a good night. Hey man, appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for smashing the like. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are the best. But this one, it does need to retrace. Once again, could it continue going up? Sure. It's just too high risk. I wouldn't touch it. Moving on. Let's do virtuals next. Virtuals. Let's see here. Let's catch up on some of this. What's Bucky's? I don't know exactly. See, I live in the Netherlands. See here, you can get a lamb chop at a lot of strip clubs in Detroit. Not only good, but cheap. There you go. Gives me a reason to go to Detroit. Let's go. See here. See here. Going down the list. Going down the list. Okay. Who doesn't like peanut butter? Y'all are all weird. Yeah, let me some peanut butter. Peanut butter will save your life. I'm telling you right now. Peanut butter will save your life. All right. So the next one is virtuals. Virtuals. Let's go mix. See, virtuals protocol. We're looking at this one. We still have our alert set at 1.56806. We're waiting for it to break above this level right here. And it did come up from when we first started seeing it, which was down here, came up. But notice that we have to wait. And this is why these rules are so important. And this is what I do. I give you very specific instructions. This alert must go off prior to entering the coin. Now, the 4-hour candle must close above 1.39078. If it doesn't, we wait. Now, here, you may say, well, Joe, it closed above the level. I'm going to enter. What happened? Boop, came down. We want to see this. We want to see price come up, come down, come up, come down, come up, come down, come up, and our alert goes off. Our alert says, look at the charts. We look at the chart and we say, well, okay, it's been up here for a while. It's been maintaining for a while. It came down, found support, and now it hit my alert. I'm in the trade because it builds strength versus where it comes up and it comes down and 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 it comes up, and now it alerts you. Wow. It doesn't look too strong. It doesn't look too strong at all. Because, I mean, it's come down quite a bit, a few times. So this one, let's go ahead and be a very professional. This one would be a no. This one would be a ding, 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 a yes. There you go. That's what we're looking for. All right. So right now we still have our alert set right there and we're just waiting. Could you enter now and catch the bottom? Sure. At your risk though, because it could come up here, get rejected and come down. And then now you're waiting much longer. So whenever the alerts go off, you're actually waiting less time and you're making more money because you're able to get into a trade and make money potentially right away. Not financial advice. All right, moving on. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Luna. Let's go to MEXC, Terra Luna. Okay, let's go to the daily. We've been looking at this one for a while. Let's see. Selling pressure. Not really good movement. Not really liking this, the candle bodies, not at all. Not liking them at all. I literally have to stretch it out. Lots of selling. I don't like this coin. With that being said, let's go and delete all of our drawings. 5 drawings are down the drain. Get out of here. So let's go in and kind of, I don't like this one at all. I don't like the candle sizes. I don't like the size of the candles. I don't like that when it goes up, it sells off. So there's so many things I don't like about this. And I tell you one thing that you guys might like. This is a special treat. Let me see if I can do this. One moment. And bingo bango. This is Little One. He doesn't like being a movie star, but this is Little One. So because Little One is here, y'all have great luck. I think this is the first time he's ever been, maybe the second time on this channel. So that is Little One. So whenever I'm referring to Little One, it's not a kid. It's actually my cat named Little One. There you go. There you go. All right, moving on. So that was a special guest appearance by a Little One. He's going to be 4 this next month. It's going to be 4 years old. All right, moving on. I don't like this one. Not at all. Let's see here. For this, I see this level that it needs to break. And what I would do is I would actually set an alert right here. Set an alert. And for this one, it would be at 3564 for the alerts. And the 4-hour candle must close above this level. But again, I don't like it. Next one is, do we do virtuals? I'm not checking these off. We did HOPR. Let's see. Let me know in the chat if we did virtuals. I think we just did. And we did Luna. But don't just say yes. Put yes, you did virtuals. X, if you could, please. X USDT. Do we have this on MEXC? Nope. So USD. Binance, I guess. Nope. Where can I find it? X. Where's this? Where? I thought you could buy X everywhere. Sorry about that. Coughing in your ear. Oh well. Let's just do crypto. Okay. So it's not looking bad. And why not? Broke our level here. Not a problem. Right now we're on support of right here. Change this. Oh, Jesse. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, I'm very fortunate to have mine. He's picked me up when I was down. He's made me laugh when I was sad. He's a good cat. But he doesn't like to be loved on. Only when he wants to be loved on, he'll be loved on, which is very rare. Very, very rare. However, I have another cat, which was my boss's cat that he left here. Her name is Becca, and she is so petite, and she loves love. She cannot get enough love. You can be loving her for 20, 30 minutes and you move away and she's like, what happened? You know, she's a nut job. They're both nut jobs. All right, here we go. So this is what I'm looking at for Hex right now. Could you buy it at the bottom? Sure. Very high risk because it could continue coming down. Let's go to a lower time frame to see more of the ups and downs. We have our high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. This will be a great opportunity for it to bounce. These selling pressure wicks kind of scare me. It would be better if I would see them on the bottom so they could be buying pressure wicks, and then we can say, you know what, let's take a chance. Kind of like this. But because they're on top, that doesn't mean that it will go down. That just means we have a higher likelihood that they might come down. Jesse says, nah, no Hex for me. Yeah. Let's see here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Oh, how's our Bitcoin? Ooh, look at that. Did we get stopped out? Oh no, we're still in it. Ooh, it started coming up and it says, get out of here. We're going down. We have a mission. So good. All right. Let's see here. So man, this is just ugly. These candles look ugly. The candle wicks, everything looks ugly about this chart. Lots of selling pressure, more selling pressure than buying pressure. If you're really interested in this coin, my recommendation is to wait to see. Here's my level. No, you know what? No, let's play it risky. I'm in a risky mood today. So what I would do is I would have a stop loss for sure. Let's just go 12%. I would enter right now and I would do a stop loss right here. So this is very high risk. And this is, oh, wrong one. This is stop loss. And I'm gonna put this right here too. High risk. Don't recommend. And today is February 15, 2025 at, are you kidding me? We're already over our hour. That's like, okay. So we would actually enter right here. So this is our entry, YouTube entry. And we're going to adjust this and take all this off because we already have that on the thing. And we'd have a stop loss right here, about 12%. Now we're not going all in. We never go all in. We're doing 50%. And we're going to see if it does in fact come up, which it probably won't. No, let me delete this. Let's start from scratch. Probably come down to maybe here, then come up, then do this number. If it comes up. So what we would do is we would enter here, and then we would enter once it breaks the stop. That's what we do. That's my thought process. My recommendation is please don't. Yes, 100%. High risk, don't recommend. But since it was a call out, given a setup, but I wouldn't do it. I don't like it. For one, candle bodies look ugly. Lots of more selling pressure than buying pressure. More wicks on the top than the bottom. The size of the candles, don't like it. There's nothing about this chart that I like, with the exception that it hasn't broken this level yet. That's the only thing. But for me personally, I would not recommend it. All right. I see my chart shows 0.003. 069. For the current price, well, it's because I'm not on whatever exchange you're on. So whenever you're on different exchanges, the prices are different. The patterns or the price action might kind of be the same, but this is how it is on all the exchanges. All of them are different. They have different volume. So right now I'm on crypto, but in the future, you can say, can you check hex on whatever exchange you're on? And then hopefully I can find that exchange. But we did hex, and I'm not sure if y'all answered me on virtuals. Let's go back up here. Go into the chat really quick. Yay, virtual time. My favorite project. Okay, so I think I did virtuals. So here. Okay. Going to the list. Lunar Beaches in here. LBC and I are gonna take the Wix to a Titan stand. Hey, there you go. That's cool. I've never been to a game. Not that I'm inviting myself, but I've never been to a game. I've always wanted to, and I think it'd be pretty cool. But I don't know if I do end up finally going. If I want to be, I would like to be in like the box seats where you can have your food and your drinks, and you just kind of, you know, it's kind of like a big old TV, I guess. I don't know, but I would like the experience too in the stadium. We'll see. That's one of my buckets list items. All right. Let's see here. I see that you like. I see what you like about virtuals. And on the list, Jesse says, "I love cats." Yeah, me too. It's funny. With cats, well, further with dogs, you yell at them and you scold them, and they look at you and they whimper and they tuck their tail between their legs, and they're scared of you. You yell at cats, the cat like literally will look at you like, "Who are you talking to?" and continue doing what they're doing. I love it. That's so funny. Let's see here. David says, let's see here. Going down the list. Okay. Username says, "Give me a Corona, Skyline car, NAS, and no stop loss." There you go. I'm on deck screener. Pulse X. Oh. Okay, yeah. Next time, let me know, and we can do it from there. It won't save the chart though, but it's the same. It looks, I'm pretty sure the same. Let's see here. Plus, we're over our time. If we had a lot of time left, I'd go and fix it, but we're already at the end of the show. But you can ask me next time, David. Definitely ask me next time. And of course, if anybody wants to extend the show, then that's when you can do a super chat if you want. If not, we can just wait for the next one. But there are a couple different ways of doing a super chat. One is through YouTube. And then if you want to see a funny animation, you can do it through this, and then a funny animation will come up. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Rachel says, "Joe, drive up to Nashville and join us." That would be cool. But I only have $14 for gas. Don't know if that'll take it. I'll withdraw all of my money so I can go. That would be cool though. See, Tracy Joe, come out to Detroit. Let's see. Hey, we got Jesse is now a member. Very nice. Very nice. He extended his membership. Nice. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, whenever you become a member, it really does help support the channel. So I appreciate you greatly. Thank you, Jesse. Let's see here. Bring an extra pair. Let's see here. Joe, come out to Detroit and we will go to a Wings game. Bring an extra pair. Stuff will get cray. Uh-oh. Nice. Love it. Love it. All right. So the next one, and I believe this is the last one, is MURA. I don't know what MURA is. MURA, USDT. MURA. Is MURA a real thing? Are y'all rugging on me? MURA. Spelled it right. Oh, this one. Okay. Awesome, David. Hey, we got Melissa in the house. Melissa. Very cool. My notification didn't go off. Uh-oh. Not a problem. Not a problem. And of course, for everybody who's new here, we go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure the notification bell is on, and when it works, it will notify you when I'm live. Not only that, but I'm also doing more shows at 12 a.m. You got it right, 12 a.m. So early in the morning. And I haven't set a schedule yet, but I'm doing it multiple times a week. So just to let you know, that way it can help, reach people on the West Coast, also people who are on the other side of the world. Give you all a heads up. So we do have MURA. MURA, let's go to all. And it was first introduced about a year ago, just over a year ago. Came up, came down, and then came down some more, then a huge pump. Why did it pump? No idea. Due to the market cap Probably somebody bought $10 worth. So doom. I need that sound effect. I really need that sound effect. Maybe I should just save this. No, anyway. So then it went up and somebody bought $10 worth, then it came down. All right, so now we're gonna look at this. This is what I do all the time. Let's go to the markets. Huge red flag, very red flag. It's been on the market for over a year. It's not on any exchanges. What have you done? What have you done for me lately? What's that song? Name that tune. What have you done for me lately? It's been around for what, 2 years? I thought it was one. I had to count on my fingers and my toes. It's been around for 2 years. Huge red flag. I'm out. I don't even need to look at the chart. Uh-oh. I'm freezing up. OBS connected again. Man, I look really, really orange. Y'all never voted. Did I be orange, man? Or I need to go outside? Man, this is ridiculous. Look how orange I am. That's not even funny. Am I this orange? Can't be this orange. Stream lagging. I think it's time. So let me go ahead and turn off my camera. Well, I think, let me know, because I just had a thing to where it was buffering. Let me know if it continues to buffer. So here, I don't like it. And let's see here. What is the coin? Doesn't give any information on what the coin is. How am I supposed to do this coin? Let's go to their website. On their website, oh, I'm down 4%. Announcement. The Murasaki platform strictly follows all applicable laws and regulations in various countries and regions. However, due to strict regulations and encrypted access, blah, blah, more words. USA is probably on here. Yes. The platform is currently unavailable to provide services to users in this country. We apologize for any inconvenience. And I can't change my VPN because then it will disconnect everybody. But let's go to Twitter. Let's see what we see here. Okay, so it's been around 2 years. It has 12, almost 13, we'll give them benefit of the doubt, 13,000 followers. Not followed by anybody that I'm following. They posted this 2 days ago. Isn't just a virtual idol, it's a movement. So this could be potentially something that makes you a millionaire. You put $50, $200, not all at once, literally like $5 at a time. And this might make you a millionaire. Not financial advice, because it's AI, because it does whatever it does. Shop the metaverse, virtual fashions, blah, blah, blah. More words, February 9th. They don't post a lot. See here, someone's posting about this God candle, but it's because somebody bought $3 worth, in my opinion, due to the market cap. It went up 54%. Somebody bought $3 worth. Let's see here. Create, earn, own, reward your creativity. Post, comment, and contribute to earn. So this is good. It only had 4 likes, but this is good. You can start posting and earning this coin. Your engagement fuels ecosystem, which is very true. This is extremely true. I do like this, where you post certain things, maybe updating the chart, maybe posting stuff that you find on researching, and you get rewarded. Make sure to tag them. I might do that for fun. So it's kind of like mining, but you're just putting in your time. I like that. Power to the fans. No more passive fandom. You shape the future of this. Earn this for content, vote in this, and earn a piece of the world's first decentralized virtual idol. Sure, why not? Okay. Oh, I was gonna say, let's go to the chart. There is no chart. So I guess we'll go to Orange X. This one has the most volume. This one is very what does sus mean? Suspicious. Good Lord, I was suspect. Let's see here. So for this one, I'd go up here to this, and I believe I click on orange X, it'll take me to the chart. Of course it didn't, because I always forget which one to click. I'm going to click on this one, which is actually the ticker, MURA/USDT, and blinded by the lights. Ooh. And this is just a bot, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. What is the price range difference between the two? We shall soon find out. So buy here and sell here. So if you want, you could literally arbitrage this. Literally. You put a buy order here, you put a sell order here, and you will make 0.7% each time. If you want, you can arbitrage. Now, if you arbitrage, well, it's kind of like arbitrage, but instead of transferring it to another exchange, you're actually using the same exchange. All this is a bot. And if you do, let me know if you, you bought $10, you sold it up here. That way you're not moving the market or whatever you do. And, but, however, you're also paying fees. So whatever fees this is, you have to take that into account too. But I think that'd be pretty cool, because you can obviously see it. Right now, this is a bot working. You buy, you sell. You buy, you sell. And as soon as you buy it, you put a sell order in. As you're buying it, you put that sell order in. So you're buying it, and then it sells up here. Boom, you made a little bit of money, minus the fees. Bingo, bango. Bingo and a bango. We got Jay Violet in the house. What's up, Jay Violet? Appreciate you for being here. Appreciate you greatly. But that'd be a pretty cool little thing. Let's go to the daily time frame and let's just look at this. Okay. Oh, I'm not even on the right chart. I just realized that. I looked at the price. We can do that on Bitcoin though. I guess I was on 5 minute. That's funny. I was like, there's no way the price is that much. What was this one? MURA. It's not even here. Come on, Orange X. Is it on futures or something? How do you buy this token? I don't know. One, I don't know how you found it. Two, I don't know how to buy the token. Because here it's saying on Orange X, we went there. Let's try this one. I doubt it though. Make sure to smash the like, guys. It does help support the channel. Greatly appreciate you. Where's my VPN saying I'm at? Oh, I thought it had me in the UK. Come on, let's go. Let's see here. While that's loading up, I'm going to read the chat really quick. Simon says, hope everyone is having a wonderful weekend. It's on my coin stats. Dude, I still haven't looked at it, man. Like, I'm on coin stats. And, thanks to Jesse for turning me on to that. But I literally need to stop and just investigate. Because all of Jesse's alpha, the most of it, he's getting it from CoinStacks. So, let's see here. I'd recommend, I don't know, Jesse, if you can put or if you want to, put your Telegram username so people can reach out to you. So you can probably talk to them about CoinStacks and how it helps you, and then give them your link. But, you're free to post your Telegram link in the chat if you like. That way people can reach out to you and say, what's this CoinStacks? You're always talking about it. What is it? And then you can send them your link, and then, of course, tell them about it. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. MURA. So here it is, MURA. So you have to buy IDR in order to buy MURA. So I'll give you a heads up. So you have to buy USDT to buy MURA, and then MURA to this. Anyway, let's see here. Chart looks okay. Get out of here. I mean, granted, nobody's buying it. I mean, you see it right here. Somebody bought $2 worth, $3 worth. And so here's Jesse's. Here is Jesse's Telegram name. So anybody who is interested in coin stacks, because Jesse's a pro at it. This is how he's finding all these really amazing coins, coins that I'm not even looking at, and he'll put them on here. And it's like, oh wow, thank you, Jesse. And well, first thing I asked him, like, how did you find this coin? He's like, coin stacks. So he can give you his tips and tricks on coin stacks, but reach out to him so he can give you those tips. And then of course he'll provide his link, use his link, and then use his strategy, because it's working. So definitely go and reach out to Jesse on Telegram. All right. Let's see here. Sorry about that. And Jesse says he's bought. He's bought on CoinSets too. Very nice. So yeah, this one looks pretty nice. We had a little bounce here. It looks good. Breaking this level. Looks good to me. You can enter this coin. And then this will be more of a hold, a long-term hold, in my opinion. Hopefully it gains traction this time around. But it's been around for 2 years, so there's a lot of red flags. However, they could, start putting out stuff once the AI market starts booming again. And then especially with the incentive of posting about this, and then people seeing the market cap, people, entering this, and more people posting, and then the fire gets, literally a wildfire. And then this could blow up. This could be, eventually, $5 a day or whatever you're doing. And then let's say you put in $100, and that $100 turns into 10,000, 20,000, 50,000. Who knows? But there was a lot of red flags. So I will say that this one has a lot of potential, just because now, if it wasn't an AI agent or something dealing with AI, I would completely scrap it. I would say, no, not for me, too high risk. But because it's AI and all the stuff that we pointed out already, I think this one could be a gem. I really do. All right. Let's see here, going down the list. Hopefully I didn't miss anybody. Let's see here. Stream was lagging. We covered that. Hopefully everything got better. Let's see here. Let's see here. Your Twitter. I'm not sure who you're referring to or who you're addressing that to. So for me, it's always the who, what, where, when, why. So it could be, hey, Jesse, what's your Twitter? Or, hey, Sam, what's your Twitter? Or, hey, Joe, or Trade Intuition, what's your Twitter? But when you just say your Twitter, don't know if you're talking to somebody in chat or to me. Let's see here. Okay, going on the list. Yeah, so in the last trade, he made 75.11% on his last trade. And of course, using CoinStats. So reach out to my buddy, Jesse. This is his Telegram username. He will give you his tips and tricks. And this may be another avenue of potential gains for you. So reach out to my buddy, and he will give you the tips and tricks. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. We go live every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go live for an hour. Today we went a little bit over. We had a lot of great questions, also some great charts, and I give you my complete thought process. For me, it's extremely important to understand the who, what, where, when, and especially the why. There's a lot of people out there that give you chart setups, but they don't explain what they're looking at or why they're even doing what they're doing. I walk through the entire steps. I give you the entire thought process. That way, when it comes to you doing the trades, you know exactly what to do. My style of trading is I show you how to trade when you're in the moment of the trade versus after the fact. It's really easy to be a Monday quarterback. Really easy. It takes skill to be doing it in the moment. And that's what I do, guys. And that's what I show you every single day. Now have that notification bell on because I am going live at 12 a.m. You heard it right. 12 a.m. early in the morning, multiple days during the week. So I do thank you. Make sure that notification bell is on. And if it is past 12 and your notification bell did not go off, just check my channel and see if the notification bell didn't alert you and I'm streaming. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you so much. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I truly do want you to be successful. I want to make money with you, not because of you. And for that reason, I go live several times a day, showing you the ins and the outs of trading. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Yes, tell me, guys, let's make this money. To answer this question, you can check all my socials. It's in every single description of all of my videos. It has a link to my link tree. And on there, it has, of course, my Twitter, my YouTube, everywhere you can reach out to me. But the main one you want to contact me on is Telegram. Because Telegram, I'm literally on at all times. Twitter, I'll check it maybe once or twice a day. But Telegram, I'm on all the time. And then, of course, to answer the question from Jay Violet, will I be doing a live stream tonight? I might. I got about 85% chance that I will. But normally what I'll do is around 30 minutes prior to 12 o'clock, I normally put out my notification saying that I'm going to go live. But I have a pretty good chance I will. All right. I do thank you guys very much. And if you're still here, hearing all these announcements, put a +2 in the chat. If you're watching the replay, put a hashtag +2. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, as always, let's make this money. So close, guys. We're so close to making amazing gains. And I am very honored to be